Shared story number 34, The Ice Storm. Green words. Ice cream. Ice-cream. Ice cream. Blankets. It's blankets. Fireplace. 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 Faces. Face is faces. Raced. 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 Closing. 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 Checked. 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 Fence. 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 Lights. 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 Nice. Ice. Nice. Traced. Aced. Traced. Asleep. 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 Mice. Ice. Mice. Story. 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 Upon. Upon. Dinner. Dinner. Because. Once. They're warm. Red words. One day, there was a big ice storm while the children were at school. The head teacher, Mrs. White, told Mr. West's class that the school would close early. School is closing now because of the ice, said Mr. West. But the bus cannot run. The bus cannot take us home on the ice, said Fran. Vic and I must sleep at school. Dina's mom came to take Dina home. Mom, yelled Dina, Fran and Vic cannot go home. It's okay, said Mom. They can come home with us. Fran and Vic were very excited at the idea of staying overnight at Dina's house in town. Everyone bundled up and got their backpacks. Mom and all the kids tramped home. They held hands so they did not slip. The wind and ice stung their faces. It was cold. They were glad to get home and go in. The kids hung up their wet jackets. Dina's mom called Fran's mom and Vic's mom. She said they can spend the night here. Dina rubbed her face. My face is still cold, she said. Come sit by the fireplace, said Granddad. I lit a nice warm fire just for you. Granddad and the kids sat near the warm fireplace. Dina's mom made dinner. All of a sudden, the lights blinked on and off. Then it was dark. All the kids screamed. Do not be scared, said Granddad. The ice made the lines fall. But we have a fire. We are okay. The electricity was out. Mom came in from the kitchen carrying a candle to light her way. I cannot finish making dinner, said Mom. The oven is not hot. The lights are off. We can put hot dogs on a stick, said Granddad. We can heat them in the fireplace. Just like camping, said Dina. Yes, said Granddad. We can camp by the fireplace. We can have a picnic and sing camping songs. The kids clapped their hands. The kids ate hot dogs. They had ice cream. They sang camping songs and played games. Camping in is nice, said Vic. Yes, Fran grinned. No mice can get in my backpack. It is late, said Mom. You kids must go to bed. Can we camp by the fireplace? Asked Dina. Mom said, yes, you can sleep by the fire. Can Granddad tell us a story? Begged Dina. Okay, said Mom. Mom helped the kids put sleeping bags and blankets near the fireplace. They were snug. Granddad said, "After the story, you kids must go to sleep." He began, "Once upon a time." He did not get to the end. The kids were fast asleep. The sun rose and Dina jumped out of bed. She checked the lights. "No lights, Mom," she said. "Then school is closed," said Mom. Dina raced back to the kids. "Get up," she yelled. "No school. We can play in the snow." Fran sat up and rubbed her face. "Let's get Jim and Jack," said Vic. The kids got dressed and raced out. Dina fell on her back in the deep snow. She looked up. The ice on the trees looked nice. Fran traced Dina in the snow with a stick. Then Dina traced Fran. "Look," said Fran, "we traced Snow Kids." Just then, Jim and Jack jumped over the fence. "Hi," they yelled, "no lights and no school. Let's play in the snow," said Dina. "Yes," yelled the kids. And at the end of the story, there are 3 questions that you can ask your child at home. Question number 1. Why did the children go to Dina's house? Question number 2. Why did Mom have to light a candle? And question number 3. Why did the kids say that staying at Dina's was like camping?